Hi folks, Edward here. For more info about chimneys, fireplaces, and entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can find hundreds more videos, podcasts, and interviews with top industry minds. And stay until the end for more info about entrepreneurship basics and coaching.
Hi, Clay Lamb here. Let's talk about dampers for a quick minute here. Number one, there's three types of dampers. There's what we call a banana handle, which is kind of open and closed with just kind of an arc in it, and that sets on a ratchet. Number two is what they call a rotary damper, and that means it's a screw opening and back. Normally you have a handle on the outside, you just turn a little bit right or left and it opens and closes. Sometimes they get a little warped rod in there, and that causes a lot of problem to open and close. It can be a nightmare. Then the last one is what we call a double pivot. A little more complicated, but they can be fixed. Often they just need to be reset.
This gets bolted with a cotter pin to the frame. This gets a cotter pin up on the damper. The blade opens and closes this way.
Again, Clay Lamb with AsktheChimneySweep. Talk to you later.
If you're looking to learn more about entrepreneurship or running your own business, subscribe and follow the link in the description below the video to our website, mixgroupsonline.com, to learn more about one-on-one coaching or joining a mastermind group. Because it's always a great day for learning. Thank you, and make it a great day.